Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an electronic parking brake malfunction on your Toyota CHR. We'll start by understanding what an EPB is and why it might fail. Many issues are not severe and can be resolved with basic troubleshooting steps. This guide will walk you through a common and effective method to get your parking brake working correctly again, saving you time and a trip to the mechanic. Let's dive in and get your CHR back to full functionality. Before attempting any resets, it's crucial to perform a few initial checks. First, ensure your car battery has sufficient charge, ideally above 12 volts, as low voltage can trigger EPB errors. Next, locate your fuse box and carefully inspect the fuses associated with the parking brake. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Finally, visually check the rear brake calipers for any obvious damage or debris that might be preventing proper operation. These simple steps can often pinpoint the problem quickly. Now let's try a common reset procedure. With your foot off the brake pedal, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the electronic parking brake switch for about 10 seconds. Release it, then press and hold it again for approximately 5 seconds. After this, turn the ignition completely off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then restart your vehicle. This sequence often clears minor system errors and restores normal EPB function. If the EPB malfunction light persists after trying the reset procedure, don't worry. You can try repeating the reset steps one more time to ensure it was performed correctly. It's also a good idea to consult your Toyota CHR owner's manual for any specific diagnostic codes that might be displayed, as these can offer further clues. If the issue still isn't resolved, it's best to seek assistance from a qualified Toyota technician. They have specialized tools to diagnose complex electrical or mechanical failures accurately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.